How does Allah fulfill a promise when hope seems impossible? How can a barren home become the cradle of prophecy? And how did one child become a sign of divine blessing? This is the story of Hazrat Ishaq السلام, the son of Hazrat Ibrahim السلام and Hazrat Sarah رضي الله anha, a child given in old age as a miracle, a living proof of Allah's promise and mercy. Ibrahim السلام and Sarah had grown old without a child. Years passed with patience and silent prayers. Then angels visited with extraordinary news. They announced the birth of Ishaq and after
Fear
him
not, for you have
Yaqub.
found favor.
I am the servant of the Lord.
Sarah was astonished at the promise. Age had taken its toll upon her body. Yet Allah's command overcomes all limits. The promise was not beyond by human weakness. Ishaq was born as a sign of divine mercy. His life carried the legacy of prophecy. Allah described him as righteous and blessed. Through him continued a line of noble messengers. Ishaq السلام grew in faith and wisdom. He called his people toward worship of one God. He upheld the covenant made with his father. His life reflected patience, trust, and gratitude. The promise of Allah stood fulfilled before all. From the sky came lineage and lasting guidance. Through Ishaq came Yaqub and future prophets. Divine blessing flowed across generations. Allah's word proved true beyond time. Allah fulfills promises in unexpected ways. Patience opens doors unseen by human eyes. Divine timing is perfect and precise. The story of Ishaq teaches trust in Allah's decree.